This is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and I've got a real special one for you. No, today I'm not painting hair. I'm actually doing just a base retouch. I'm going to actually melt this hair and then go back and balayage it. But I wanted to show you a tip that I've been doing for many years, and I never really thought about sharing it until I was doing it today and thought, you know what, this is something listeners might really enjoy seeing, and that is how I apply a base color. Sounds pretty boring, doesn't it? But it's really not. There's a lot of wonderful ways that you can go about applying a base color with ease, number one, but more importantly, something that's effective and something your guests can't do at home. So what do? I hold my tail comb in my hand, just like I'm gonna do an ice pick, so to speak. And then I pick up my tint brush, and when I go to apply, when I'm applying on long hair, I always start at the bottom and work up. That gives me maximum ease to part the hair and begin applying the color. So as I go through, I am just coming through with my tail comb and my section. And instead of just taking my brush and using my brush as my sectioner, which would be like this, so if I took my tint brush and came across, I would be getting my tint brush dirty. So for me, what I love to do is just literally take my comb and separate the hair and apply the color. Separate the hair and apply the color. This just gives me a nice, easy, clean way by coming from the bottom and working up to actually apply that tint. Now, on short hair, why this is a wonderful way to do it, and obviously this is not short hair, but on short hair, why this makes a really fast and wonderful way, is that once I get that hair applied, I'm able to go back with my tail comb and just separate off the layers so that the layers don't fall onto each other and color the other hair. So again, just holding my comb in, taking my section, applying the color, and just dropping it into my hand one section at a time. And it just is so fast, so easy, so efficient, and again, your guests can't do this themselves. And as I come up, I just work straight through and organizing that hair as I go. I part, I apply. Now, if I was covering gray, this is also a wonderful way for me to take smaller sections. So say this hair was unpigmented, I could come in and just take a lot smaller sections. And by taking smaller sections, I could make sure that I'm doing the gray. And also, by not flipping that hair over and applying, I'm not applying that color to the hair that doesn't need that color, causing bands and unwanted lines of demarcation. So again, holding the comb, holding the tint brush, starting from the bottom, working up. So now when I come to the side, I will just start from the side and work up. And one of my biggest rules of thumb is I never immediately apply to the hairline. I see a lot of folks taking their tint brush and immediately applying to the hairline. That's the part of the hair that's going to grab the color the quickest, so it's actually the last thing that I do when I apply a base color. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Hi, Candy Shaw, the Balay Lama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.